Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. First of all, I would like to thank everyone who has subscribed to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how I trim my eyebrows with the help of a simple thread which is available in each and every household. Now cut the thread, take the ends together and then tie a knot like I have done. And I forgot to take off my glasses and my bindi, and I'm sweating out here. And also I forgot to mention earlier that you need some loose face powder, and here I'm applying it on my eyebrows so that it doesn't hurt much when I move the thread. Now take the thread around your hands and twist it around 10 to 20 times and see if it moves like this. Check from both sides of your hands. Now put it on your eyebrows where you're going to take off your hair, or you can say eyebrows, the shape in which you want. I think it won't hurt much if we use a thread that the parlor uses, but since it is locked down and unable to get it, so जो घर पे अवेलेबल है उससे ही काम चलाना पड़ रहा है. आई गेस सबको भी काम चलाना पड़ेगा. एंड मेरे पास ट्वीज़र भी नहीं है, आप सब लोग विश्वास नहीं करोगे. नाउ आई एम चेकिंग विद द मिरर. Also I'm checking on the camera, looking around. Oh, and that hurts. Some of you have asked me if it hurts or not. Of course it do. It does hurt. पार्लर में करते हैं तभी भी हम लोग को हर्ट होता है, वैसे ही हर्ट होता है. And a simple tip I would like to give here is जब आप अपने right eyebrow को thread कर रहे होते हैं, push from the red side of the thread, means from your right hand. तो आपके राइट हैंड से पुश करना थ्रेड को, और जब आप लेफ़्ट साइड को कर रहे हो तो आप लेफ़्ट साइड से पुश करना थ्रेड को. देखो राइट और लेफ़्ट हैंड साइड को एक्सेप्ट प्रैक्टिस करना, पुश करके. तो आप जब when you are doing your right side, push from the right hand side, and the left eyebrow push from the left hand side. And here my boy is disturbing me. I was sitting, he's showing off his playthings and asking me if he can join in the video. I'm sweating out here. Left hand side is little complicated when you do it because it is not too handy. Right hand side you can do it very easily. I started off threading my left eyebrow, and here I'm threading off my right eyebrow, and here I'm done. I'm checking out if it's done properly. Take any kind of aloe vera gel which is available. I have Patanjali's, and here I'm applying on my face and giving a little massage, and my son sneaking in. Give it a massage. And here I'm done. I'm reapplying my bindi and putting my glasses on. Thank you very much for watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you once again. Bye bye.